Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's from the Good Samaritan. And this is how we make it. So then we can get the little bits and pieces which I've coloured in and cut out. This I haven't put on here, Luke 10:25, which is what I've got on here, the reference, so you can put that one on. I think it's on the template, I think it is. So what I've done is I've folded this over on the dotted line. Yeah. Give it a good fold. And then I've cut down this hard line. Yeah. Hard line like that. And then folded on the dotted line so I can get the pop-up piece. I'll put some double-sided sticky tape on here, just a little bit in the centre. And then make this pop out like a beak. And score this down. And I've got my little bit for the hand. So then I'll stick this down. So it goes like that, down on one fold, and the little bit goes on the centre so that it can fold up nice and comfortable like that. Okay, there's your hand popping up. Now I've got these two, the Good Samaritan and the injured chap. There, so that will go down like that. And then I can take this double-sided sticky tape on. Oh, I have to fold these on the dotted lines. Forgot to say that, on the dotted lines, yeah. And then take this off. And he can sit down there. Line it up along the bottom. And then he can sit down like that. Now we need a natural fold, so I'll fold that over like that. There you are. And ta-da! Well, I hope you had fun doing that, colouring it in and stuff. Until next time, God bless and enjoy your craft.